Hi, my name's Sarah Karen from Sarah's Cucina Bella. I'm here today to show you a really fun meal. It's perfect for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, it can even be a breakfast for dinner thing. What it is sweet potato hash browns with a really delicious runny olive oil cooked egg. It's a really kind of a fried egg, so you get those crispy outsides and the runny center, and it goes great with the hash browns. So we're going to start by making the hash browns. I've got a pan here. It's heated up over medium heat, ready to go, nice and hot. This one's from Calphalon and it heats so nicely. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. Just swirl that around a little. The pan's already hot, the olive oil is too, and I have 1 pound of shredded sweet potatoes that I parboiled, which means they're partially cooked already. We're just going to make them cook nice and evenly. So I'm just going to add those to the pan. You can hear them sizzling as I do. Alright, this has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. So I'm going to flip it one more time. I've already flipped it once. And the sweet potatoes are getting nice and kind of brown, and they're soft and tender. I'm going to spread them out into the pan. And now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of butter. I already added some salt and pepper earlier, and I'm going to salt it one more time. It'll really bring out that sweetness, but also kind of keep them in the savory realm of things. And while I'm doing that, I am going to start my olive oil fried egg. Now, I have a non-stick omelet pan all ready to go. It's warm. I'm going to let it heat up just a little. We're just about done here. I already put the sweet potatoes on my plate, and they're just right. They're buttery. They have that salt and pepper, so it really brings out the sweetness, but in not a dessert kind of way, but more in a really pleasant combination of sweet and savory. And my egg has been cooking for about 4, maybe 5 minutes. I flipped it over once already, and it's ready to come out of the pan. It's got some really nice golden brown edges. I'm just going to put it right on top of my sweet potatoes. And turn off my burner. Okay, a little salt on the egg, because I think every egg needs just a little bit of salt to bring out all the flavor. And it's ready to go. That runny yolk goes so nicely. It's just creamy on the sweet potatoes. So thanks so much for watching. I'm Sarah Karen from Sarah's Cucina Bella. Have a great day.